In this video, I'll show you how to change app icons on laptop Windows 11. If this video helps you, please consider subscribing my YouTube channel and liking the video. So I have these two files which I'm going to use as an icon. So firstly, I need to convert them into ICO file and only then I can use them as an icon. So in order to convert them into ICO file, we need to open the browser and type PNG to ICO. And here you will find many sites. You can use any of these. Now click on select file and now choose the photos which you want to convert into ICO file. Now click on convert. Files are now converted into ICO, so I'll just download them. Now it's time to change the icon, and to change it just hit right click on the icon which you want to change. I want to change the Google Chrome icon, so I'll just hit right click, then click on properties. Here we need to click on shortcut and click on change icon. So we have the option for browse, so just click here and just select the file which we want to convert. So this is the ICO file which we have converted, so I'll just double click on it, click on OK, click on apply and then OK. So now you can see the Google Chrome shortcut has changed. And in case if you want to change it from the taskbar as well, so firstly we need to unpin the previous one. So I'll just unpin it from the taskbar, then just drag it on the taskbar, and yeah, now you can see the Google Chrome icon is also changed from the taskbar. So similarly, if you want to change this PC recycle bin, like these are some system defaults, in that case we need to hit right click on the start button, then click on settings, click on personalization, and now here we need to open the themes option, and here is the option for desktop icon settings. So just open it, and now if you want to change this PC icon, network option, recycle bin option, you can just change it from here. I am just going to change this PC, so I'll just select it, click on change icon and click on browse. So this is the one, so I'll just double click, click on OK, apply, then OK. So now let me show you, and yeah, you can see that this PC icon is now changed. And yeah, that's it. This is how you can change the app icon in Windows 11. Now if you want to get back to the default one, how you can do that? Just hit right click on the changed icon, then click on open file location, then here you will find the app logo. So hit right click, then click on show more options, click on send to, and here we need to click on desktop create shortcut. So once you do that, you will find that the Chrome default shortcut is added. So we'll just delete the custom one, okay, and just add it right here. And similarly we can unprint from here and then just add it on the taskbar. And to change this PC icon, again hit right click on the start button, click on settings, click on desktop icon settings, and here we need to click on this PC and click on restore defaults, click on apply, then OK. And yeah, now you can see this PC also restored. So yeah guys, that's it. Now if you think I was a big help, can you please subscribe me? If you do, I would really appreciate it. But for now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.